Welcome to JB Fashion Style, and if you're a returning viewer, you're welcome. In today's tutorial video, we'll be making an elegant bubu kaftan, which could be used for formal outfits in the office, especially on Fridays, or to church or any occasion of your choice. So kindly subscribe if you haven't and hit the notification bell so as to get every of our uploads. So to get the complete and the exact measurement which was used in cutting this bubu gown, kindly check the description box. You would also notice that the length of this bubu gown is a little below the knee. Reasons being that I do not like to make an outfit that would lie in my wardrobe and I would not be able to use it as often as I desire. So I wanted something that I could wear to the office on Fridays, wear to church, that would be very appealing for every occasion. So that's why I made the length of this bubu gown a 3/4, which is a little below the knee. So it is very appropriate for your office wears on Fridays. If you work in the bank, you could wear this on Fridays. You could wear it even to a party. So I did the regular bubu gown that we know is just the one that has a straight cutting on the side. But this one, I desired something different and unique, and so I made a pleat on the side. So the actual length of the material from the shoulder to above the knee is 38 inches. Sorry, 33 inches, while the flare is 5 inches. The pleating is 5 inches actually. So the choice is yours. If you want to make a full length, the one that will get to your feet, it's fine. So if you also like this style, you could make it this way. My videos are usually self-taught. It's something you could do on your own. So you'd see details of the measurements, the inches along the sewing. Please sit back and enjoy the video till the end. We'll be back shortly. you. Bye.